Hello everyone, I am Deepak Punyal and I welcome you to the series of tutorials on C++. If you remember our previous lecture, we have discussed destructors in a theoretical way. Now I will try to code everything that I have told you there. So I will copy this program and paste it here. I am using same program throughout the course so that you can understand concepts very easily. Here we have a class gradebook and this is the constructor. So what I will do, I will create a destructor here. For that you have to use tilde sign first and the name of this class. Here one thing that you have to note down is you can't provide any return type, not even void, and neither you can pass any argument to it like you have passed a verb in constructor, so it should be blank. And this destructor that you are creating here is default destructor, and even if you remove this thing there will be a same destructor already created by compiler itself. So it doesn't matter whether you create this destructor, this blank destructor, or not. So let us try to run this program and see whether these objects, when these are destroyed, you can see them or not. So I will run the program, compile this. Program is compiled successfully, and now here is the output. But you can't see anything like destroying an object, right? So what you have to do, you can write something here. Object is destroyed, and then provide a new line. Let us try running it again, and you can see this message is coming from the destructor. Object is destroyed and object is destroyed two times. And why it is so? Because you have created two objects and both these objects are being destroyed. One thing you have to see, that you are getting same message, right? So we want to differentiate between the objects. For that you can use this. So this is just a pointer, so it will provide an address and not name of the object gb1 and gb2. We can modify our program in some way so that it provides us a name of the object, but we are not going to do that right now. You can try it on your own and tell me the answers in your comment. So let us try to run this, and now you can see this object is destroyed and then another object is destroyed. Now you can say again, how can you differentiate that the two objects are different? So now let us look at the address. It is same till this point, but here it is different, right? This address is in hexadecimal. So there is one more homework for you. Try to find out the difference of bytes between these two addresses. So I think this is enough for this lecture. Try to answer this question in comments and we can discuss over there. If you have any more doubt or any feedbacks, you can always write me in a mail or in the comments of the video. If you like the series of tutorials, you can like the videos, you can share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. So see you in the next video with some new concept. Till then, thank you so much.